I welcome all the students of second year IT for the lecture series of computer graphics. And today we are starting with our polygon filling algorithm. First of all, we already know about the polygon. We already studied the polygon, basics of polygon in unit number 1. So what is polygon, correct? So polygon, what is polygon? It's a geometric shape, correct? When we are completing that point of geometric shape point with the straight line segments, that's the edges to the end to end, then it will become a polygon, correct? So the meeting points of edges are called as vertices. So now we will study about the polygon filling algorithm. So a polygon is a chain that connected line segments, and it is specified by giving the vertices. That's a P0, P1, P2, or else X0, X1, X2, and so on. So the vertex is called as the initial or the starting point, and the last vertex is called as the final and the terminal points. So in this figure, this is P0 is a starting point, and the P4 is a terminal, means the final point. So when the starting point and the terminal of any polygon is same or meet each other, then that is when the polygon is closed, then it is called as polygon, correct? When that point connect each other, then it is called as polygon. Okay, when the starting point and terminal point of any polygon is same, then it is called as polygon. Okay, so this is a polygon, and this is a polyline, and this is polygon. All the vertices, all the edges connected to each other. It is completed. It is complete. So the types of polygon. So the classification of polygon is based on where the line segment joining any two points within the polygon is going to lie. So there are two types of polygon. We already studied in our first unit, correct? So there are two types of polygon. So convex, concave, and complex, correct? So what is convex? What is convex? So when the interior angle is less than or equal to 180 degree, then it is a convex polygon. And if the angle is greater than or equal to 180 degree, it is concave polygon. So a convex polygon is a polygon in which the line segment joining any two points within the polygon lies complete inside the polygon. Okay, this is a convex. Okay, and the second one is the concave polygon. So the concave polygon in which the line segment joining any two points within the polygon that may not be completely inside the, that may lie inside the polygon, completely inside that polygon. So it is called as concave polygon. So this is a figure of concave polygon, and this is a figure of at the polygon. And in concave, that polygon म्हणजे जो तुमचा पॉलिगॉनचा जो लाईन असणार आहे ती तुमच्या पॉलिगॉन मध्ये येणार नाही. कॉन्व्हेक्स मध्ये काय होणार आहे, जी लाईन आहे ती completely lies in your polygon, but in concave जी लाईन आहे that may not lie completely inside that polygon. So first algorithm is seed fill algorithm. You have a question on this topic is what are the steps for of that algorithm of seed fill algorithm in polygon filling algorithm. You have a question already. I have given the question in assignment. Algorithm. So there are two types, so flood fill and boundary fill. So the algorithms that fill interior defined region are called as flood fill algorithm, and those that fill boundary defined regions are called as बाउंड्री फिल अल्गोरिदम. आता काय होणार आहे की जो तुमचा फ्लड फिल आहे तो इंटेरियर म्हणजे इंटेरियरच्या रिजन मध्ये जो तुम्ही म्हणजे तिथे तो काम करणार आहे, आणि जो तुमचा बाउंड्री डिफाईन जो आहे तो तुमच्या बाउंड्री रिजनला काम करणार आहे, म्हणून त्याचा नेम असणार, म्हणून आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो बाउंड्री फिल अल्गोरिदम, और आपण त्याला असंही म्हणतो एज फिल अल्गोरिदम. सो बाउंड्री फिल अल्गोरिदम, in this method the edges of the polygon are drawn. So आता या मेथड मध्ये ते एज असतात तुमचे पॉलिगॉनचे ते ड्रॉ होणार आहे. Then it's starting with the some seal any point inside the polygon we examine, and the neighboring that pixel to check whether the boundary pixel is reached. आता या बाउंड्री फिल अल्गोरिदम म्हणजे आता नावावरूनच कळत आहे की बाउंड्री आहे. सो त्यामध्ये आता आपण काय चेक करणार आहोत की जो आपला पिक्सेल आहे तो बाउंड्रीला पोहोचला आहे का, बाउंड्री पर्यंत गेला आहे का, ते चेक करणार आहे. सो आणि इफ द बाउंड्री पिक्सेल आर नॉट reached, if that the boundary pixel are not reached, then the pixel are highlighted, and the process is continued until the boundary pixel reached. आता काय होणार आहे की जोपर्यंत तुम्हाला जो बाउंड्री पिक्सेल पर्यंत तुमचा जोपर्यंत पॉइंट जात नाहीये तोपर्यंत तुमचं जे अल्गोरिदम आहे ते कंटिन्युअसली वर्क करत राहणार आहे. आणि जर का ते एकदा बाउंड्री रीच झालं की तुमचा अल्गोरिदम जो आहे, जो तुम्ही काही इटरेशन करत असाल तर ते थांबणार आहे. सो आता बाउंड्री डिफाईन रिजन में त्यामध्ये 4 कनेक्टेड और 8 कनेक्टेड असू शकतात रिजन्स जे आहेत. तर जसं हे 4 कनेक्टेड रिजन आहे आणि हे जे आहे 8 कनेक्टेड रिजन आहे. कळतंय हे, हे 8 कनेक्टेड रिजन आहे. सो आता यामध्ये in some cases that 8 connected region is more accurate than 4 connected algorithm. सो आता बाउंड्री फिल अल्गोरिदम मध्ये 8 कनेक्टेड जो अल्गोरिदम आहे तो जास्त अॅक्युरेट आहे, 4 कनेक्टेड अल्गोरिदम पेक्षाही जास्त अॅक्युरेट आहे. सो इट कॅन बी मॉडिफाईड according to 8 connected region algorithm by including 4 additional statements to test the diagonal positions such as like x plus 1 and y plus 1. So next आहे flood fill algorithm. आता flood fill algorithm मध्ये sometimes it required to fill that area that is not defined within a single color boundary. So in such cases that like we can uh, we can fill that areas by replacing a specified interior color instead of that searching or for the boundary color, and this approach is called as the flood fill algorithm. So what is the case, we can fill that areas by replacing a specified interior color instead of searching for boundary color. सो आता आपल्याला इथे जे बाउंड्री बाउंड्री जे आपण पिक्सेल शोधत होतो तसं आपल्याला बाउंड्री पिक्सेल न शोधता मध्ये जे पिक्सेल आहे आपल्याला ते शोधायचं आहे, आणि याच अप्रोचला आपण काय म्हणतो फ्लड फिल algorithm. So same as boundary fill algorithm, here we start the sum seed and examine the neighboring pixels. आता जे आसपासचे जे पिक्सेल्स आहे आपण त्याला एक्झामाइन करतो. So the pixels are checked for the specified interior color. एक काही स्पेसिफिक इंटेरियर कलर साठी तो चेक करतो आणि बाउंड्री फिलर म्हणजे जसं आपण बाउंड्री फिलला आपण साईडला चेक करतो तसं साईडला चेक न करता तो मध्ये चेक करतो इंटेरियर मध्ये चेक करतो अँड दे आर रिप्लेस्ड बाय न्यू कलर आणि जो कलर जर भेटत असेल जर तो तिथे सॅटिस्फाय असेल तर तो कलर चेंज होतो रिप्लेस होतो. So using either a four connected or it is using the either the four connected or the eight connected approach. So we can step through like pixel positions until all the interior points have been filled. सो जोपर्यंत आता आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू भेटत नाहीये जोपर्यंत ते पिक्सेल होत नाही पिक्सेलची व्हॅल्यू नाही येते इंटेरियर पॉइंटची तर तोपर्यंत जो आपला इटरेशन असणार आहे तो चालू चालू असणार आहे आणि जर ते भेटलं तर तिथे स्टॉप होणार आहे. सो द प्रोसिजर इलिस्ट्रेट्स द whatever the recursive method for filling the eight connected region using a flood fill algorithm. So next one is a scan line algorithm. So it is a computer graphics method for filling the polygon interior or determining visible surfaces by processing an image in horizontal line at a time. So it works by finding interaction of a scan line with the polygon edges and it sorting them and filling the pixels between that pairs. So it is used for that feeling of like polygon. This algorithm solves that the problem of hidden surfaces while generating the displays in that scan line. So it is used in orthogonal projection and it is a non-recursive algorithm. In the scanline algorithm, we have to stack only beginning positions for that each horizontal pixel scan, and instead of like stacking all the unprocessed neighboring positions around that current position. So it is efficient algorithm. So the main actually the question asked in your INSEM and the final exam, like what are the steps of scanline conversion algorithm for polygon filling. So this is a most important question. It will ask in your exam. So first is a read the value of n and the means the number of vertices of polygon, and then read the value of the like x and y coordinates of all the vertices in array like x of uh, x of n and y of n. So find the minimum and maximum y coordinates of the polygon. Then the fourth step is start a horizontal scan from the minimum value y. And then the fifth one is calculate the interaction points of that scan line with the like sort the interaction points from the left to right. And the next point is the fill that pixels between each pair of interaction and move the scan line one step upward. So and the last is the repeat the process until the maximum y coordinates is reached. So next one is a 2D clipping, and we will see in our next uh, video. So for till, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, comment, and share. Thank you so much.